Hey, what's up guys? It's Dave from Crux Moto. We're going to be showing you how to install our pre-cut front bumper reflector overlay on this Chevy Tahoe. So we'll work on a 21 and up Tahoe, GMC, and the Escalade model. So first you're going to start by making sure the vehicle's relatively clean in this area. Then we went over this with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber. Make sure that you get in this groove all the way around, and then on the inside wheel well. So this is an air release film, so it's going to be completely dry application. So once you have everything clean, just go ahead and get that aligned in that lower corner. Follow the alignment up on the lamp. Once it is in place, you can just go ahead and start to work the film down. And we're gonna grab our heat source. You can either use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Heat this side a little bit. Just go ahead and work that down. Then on this, there's some raised lettering at the top and the bottom. Heat it. Use your thumb pad to press it in. Go over all the overlay again with some heat. So this is going to be the dark smoke. We also have this available in the light smoke. The application for the rear reflector, same concept, so I'm not going to show that one. It is a little bit easier if you do take the rear reflector out. There's two, I believe, T25 Torx bits right accessible underneath the bumper. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let us know. The link for this is in the video description below. Thanks for watching.